All right. So welcome. Yeah, welcome to this video. Okay, now in this video, I'm just going to be explaining how to use the WhatsApp business for auto replies, how to set up your auto replies, how to set up your quick replies, and so many other things on WhatsApp business. Because this is the medium we're going to be using to generate our leads. So when our leads are coming in, you want to make sure we create a scenario where we can easily reply these folks, right? You can easily reply them. Now, the very first time you download your WhatsApp business, the very first thing you should do is to go and set up your WhatsApp. So you just click on this business tools here. Now when you click on business tools, you can see business profile. So you come to business profile, make sure you edit it to what you want. So this is your image, and then this is your name. Now this is you can just write whatever you do here, just like this. So when you edit that, now this is like the most important thing here, because this is what shows what you really do. Now you just click on this pencil icon there, and then you can see can't load it because of this. Okay, I don't have my network here. My network is not on. I put my phone on airplane mode because of disturbance. Now if your network is on, you just click on this icon here. Just click on this icon and search for the category. So the category you search for, let's say for example graphic designer, you can see it can't actually bring it up because of my network is not on. But when you search for a category, it's going to bring it up and you're going to select it. So that category is not something you type, it's something you just search for it and it brings it out. So you select it, so it brings it as part of these things that you see here. So it's not supposed to be more than 2 or 3. Do you understand? Because you can't do everything at the same time, like I've said before. So you do this and also you do every other thing here also. Now this is where you put in your about. Yeah, so this is basically what you do. So I help entrepreneurs with the skill of graphic design and blah blah blah. So this is not this place is who you are. You understand who you are. Why this place is what you do. Do you understand? So that's all for you. So when you're through, you just save it up. Now that's for the WhatsApp business profile. Now your catalog is where you now put in your content, or it can be your content or your designs or testimonials. You put them here. Do you understand? You put them inside your catalog. So my data is not on, but I'm sure we know how to use the catalog. Now the most important part of this everything here is this greeting message, away message, quick replies, and also this label. So let's start with the greeting message. The greeting message is the message you use to welcome new members. So now when you open it, this place is going to be off. So you're going to first of all enable it as open. Now first thing you should do even before coming here, this is what you should first do. This is recipients. You click on it and then you first of all click on everyone not in address book, because your greeting message, if you don't set it to this, your greeting message is going to be here when you first of all set it. So you are going to move it to everyone not in address book. So everyone not in address book means all the people that you've not saved their contacts, they are the one that will be receiving greeting message from you. Those that you've saved their contacts will not receive greeting message, and that's what you want. You don't want a situation where anybody that message you would now be receiving your greeting message. You only want people that have not saved your contacts, because these are the new leads that are just coming to meet you. Now, so when you are through with that, you just pick and you edit it. So you can model this. This is for a training group lead. So welcome. Kindly say my name as Isaac Adebiyi. After your true reply done, and you'll be added to the training group. So if it's a book, you say reply done, and the book will be forwarded to you immediately. So that was it. And the book, capital letter B, will be forwarded to you. That's all. So you can put full stop and click on OK. So when you do with that, you just click on save here, and that's so you can see it is already saved. So the next thing we're going to do now is Aoa message. So your Aoa message should be off. It should be off. You don't need it at all. It should be off. And then the next thing we're going to set up now is our quick replies. Now quick replies is where every single thing, this is where the main work is. Now when people come to you through a link, probably you tell them, oh, you have a book, and then they come to you, the very first thing that they'll get is this message, this greeting message. Now after they see this greeting message, they are going to reply done, because you told them to reply done, and the book will be forwarded to them, right? Now when they reply done, the next thing you want to do is you want to first of all give them the book, or you want the next thing might be just to give them the book, like this. So when you come, your quick reply is what is going to have the information that has the book, because you don't want to start typing again, oh, get the book here or stuff. You want to just easily send them a quick reply. Now this is where you come to for your quick reply. I can see all my quick replies are here. These are my account details and so many other things. So let's say this is it. Let's first of all let me just copy this so you don't understand. Okay, now when you come to your quick reply, your might be empty. So the very first thing you do is to click on this plus icon here to add a new quick reply. So you just click on the message and then paste it here. Like I just copied my own so I can paste it. So when you're through, you now click on a shortcut. Now the shortcut is what you're going to use to bringing up your quick reply. So let's say our shortcut here is tutorial. Since this is a tutorial video, tutorial 1. Now we click on save. So when we click on save, it has already saved that quick reply like that. So let's go and test it out. Let's just come to content, and then so now when you want to test out your quick reply, your quick reply, you're going to click on this place, this one here. And then when you click on it, you first of all click on that, then you now type in tutorial. So you can see tutorial. So you now click on this now, click on it like this, and then you can send it to the person. So now that's a very quick reply. Like when you have hundreds of people shouting you at the same time and you want to send them the free copy, you just come here and you just easily type in tutorial, and the more you are sending this, the more it's going to be coming up. So you can see the most used quick reply I have is this one, make a payment. This is for TSDA, and that's because of I'm actually running TSDA. So the more you use it, the more your replies come forward. Do you understand? So after doing this now, after sending them this particular one, the next thing they are going to tell you is, oh, since you told them to drop a review, they might say, oh, the book is nice and stuff like that. Now the next thing you want to do is to tell them to help you to repost, right? So you come to your quick reply again, and then you're going to set up every single thing. So let's say we are through with this, and let me go. I think I have other ones I've used before. Okay, let's use this one. No, I don't want this. So let's say this is the next one now. You know how I got here now. So you type everything you want again, and then the shortcut here is help. So when you're through with this again, you just click on save, and then you save it. So that's for the next thing, because like after they've collected the book, I will just tell them, can you help me post this right up on your status and stuff like that? So I want to give other people. And then after you do that again, you're going to give them the write-up. So this is the write-up I'm using for my own. Let me show you the write-up I'm using for my own. Okay, do I still have it here? I think I should still have it. Okay, this is the write-up I use for my own. So this is the write-up I'm going to tell them to copy for me. So every of these things inside my quick reply. So I set up different quick reply for different messages. So once I'm through with this one again, then this is the flyer. You can always bring in flyers also. Yeah, you can bring in flyers on your quick reply. How do you do it? Let's do that. Let's quickly do that now. So you can see on this place, it has image. It has a camera image. So you just select it, and then all right, so you can see an image here. So when we're through with this, I might decide to just type in something on there. I can just say the flyer, and then I'll click on OK. So you can see now it's going to automatically bring it, so you can see it out. So I'll just make this shortcut flyer, and then I'll click on save. Okay, you can see the shortcut is already in use because I've used something as flyer before. So let's just leave it as our tutorial 2. Great. So now when we're through with this now, we can just make a very last one and say thank you. We can make the last one thank you, and can put an emoji there. Okay, great. Okay, shortcut cannot be here, so you must add a shortcut. So let's add a shortcut of tutorial 3. Now when we've done this, now let's now go and test everything out. So when from the very first time when they say this, when you tell them to download a book, and then let's say they reply done, right? When they reply done, the next thing you want to do is now to send them the next message, which is you want to tell them to post for you. So this is it. You tell them to do this. After you're doing this, you just come here again, and then you paste the next thing again, which is the flyer or the copy. I mean, it should be the copy you just wrote. Okay, let me see that. I think the copy should be somewhere here. All right, this is the copy. Now you give them the copy also, and you also give them the flyer we just did. Now this is the flyer. You can see that. So after then, you can now tell them thank you. Oh, sorry, I think what we used to say thank you. Okay, thank you. Yeah, good. So you can see it. So you've already said, look at the amount of message you just sent to one person without even having to type it again. So that's the essence of your quick reply. Very easy. Now the last thing, which is the more important thing here, is now this short link. Now your short link is the link you're going to use to get them in. Without this link, you can't even do anything. So my current link, okay, when you come in, the first thing you do is to enable this for a start, and then this is just what you copy. Now you now come in and text what you want them to text. For example, this is how I do on my own. Hello Isaac, I want to register for TSD and my name is, so they can now put in their name here. Let's just say my name is David. So you make sure you're leaving this place empty. And the act to this is always make sure their name is the last thing they're going to put in. Don't do it. Some people start like this. My name is, they will now put underline and on stuff like that. But this is not an exam question. Don't do this one. People, you're just confusing people. Like, how will you do this kind of thing? So you expect the person to come here. Can he write on top of this? It's not possible. I can't write on top of this. So the person will have to delete this and then put in his name. Do you think people have time? People don't have time for this thing. So don't do it this way. Just do it this way. So their name will be the last thing they are going to put here, Isaac. And it's very simple. They will just send it to you like that. Do you understand? So I can't even edit this one because of my I don't have this thing. I don't have network. Yeah. So when you are through with this, you just come here and you click on share link. So you click on share link and then you just copy the link here. You can see it. You just copy the link like this. You just copy the link here and it's copied already. Yeah. So when you are through, you can now, that's the link you add to your WhatsApp copy. You can also decide to use a QR code. You can get your QR code also. Okay, this is my QR code. So when you are through with this, you can just screenshot it if you want. You can screenshot your QR code and then you just add it to your flyer. You add it to your flyer. I think I used it for one of my flyer one time. So when you put it on your flyer, once people see the flyer, I think WhatsApp automatically bring them to you. That's the essence of the QR code. So this is our link. Yeah. So you just come here, edit this one, and add the link to your this thing. There's no network. Add the link to your WhatsApp copy, and that's all. So this is basically how to just set up your WhatsApp business account, and it's very, very simple. So I want you to make sure you're doing this night, right away. If you are watching this video tomorrow, do it immediately you finish watching it. I hope you understand. So thank you for watching.